You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American fashion designer. If you want to learn more confusing names from fashion brands that too many people get wrong, stay tuned, I've got many more videos for you. Vera, not Vera, Vera Wang. Her name, I think she is of Chinese origin. Vera Wang. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.